Good morning, dear students. Myself is Deepti from Tips Scroll Park. In today's lecture, we are going to revise the write a short note on the following and the question answers in of the chapter. So let's start. Write a short note on the following. First is the human resources. It is the most important resources of the natural resources. Human beings can explore, develop, and convert the natural resources into useful goods as per their needs. With the help of education, skill, and technology, human beings are the only who can use the natural resources to the best possible use. Next is the conservation of resources. Conservation of resources means saving the natural resources for future, as the natural resources are limited, and if they come to an end, the human will not able to survive. So we should think how we can use these resources in the best way and do not waste them or pollute them. The question answers of this chapter is, first question is, how do natural resources support human beings? So answer is, natural resources are gift of nature which help them to satisfy human needs. For forests provide oxygen, gas, and many useful things to the humans. We get many metals and minerals from the earth which are used by human beings. Next, question number 2, what are the resources, how are resources important? Resources provide us and provide us materials, energy, and favorable condition for development. Number 2, they make the natural environment suitable for human beings and other forms of life. Number 3, the diversity of natural resources is supportive to life in many ways. Question number 3 is, what is sustainable development of resources? The type of development that does not harm the environment. Make sure these proper use of resources, so that needs of present and future generation can be satisfied. This is known as sustainable development. Fourth is, how are the resources classified into different categories? Resources can be classified into different categories are following. Number 1, on the basis of origins, like biotic and abiotic. On the basis of exhaustibility, like renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Third is on the basis of ownership, individual, community, national or international ownership. Number 4, on the basis of status of development, potential resources or actual resources. Fifth is on the basis of distribution, ubiquitous and localized resources. These are the six types on which the resources can be classified. Question number 5 is, what is the significance of human beings as a resource? It is the most important resource of the natural resources. Human beings can be explore, develop, and convert the natural resources into useful goods as per their needs, with the help of education, skill, and technology. Human beings are the only who can use the natural resources to the best possible use. Question number 6 is, how does technology help in the development of resources? Question mark. Answer is, with the development in science and technology, human beings are able to change the value of the resources, such as we produce electricity from the water, and high tides make make clothes from the cotton. Minerals are changed into other valuable things. In this way, we convert natural resources into useful things which help with the help of technology. So these are the question answers of this chapter. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay healthy, and see you soon.